Yo, what is going on YouTube? So this video today is going to be showing you some updated Amazon promo codes in 2026. These Amazon discount codes that I'm going to show you are definitely the best. I've tried all of the codes available on all of the popular voucher code websites. Most of them don't even work, or they're either expired, or there's so many terms and conditions surrounding the codes that they're not even worth using. I've managed to find a $100 Amazon promo code that everyone can use worldwide, and it is going to remove $100 off your basket at checkout. And this works with no minimum spend as well. So what you need to do is basically use your mobile phone to get your Amazon promo code. So just use whatever mobile you have, open up the internet browser and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So it is crucial you type it correctly like this, and it's going to bring you to a coupon code website. Now, they don't only have Amazon codes, of course, they actually mostly have game codes, but I'm not much of a gamer, but I did find they had a page on here dedicated to Amazon. So what you want to do is use the search bar at the top of the page, type in Amazon and find this codes page. Now on this page, there are a few verified Amazon coupon codes, and these are really popular. Thousands of people are using these. Scroll down and look for this one, the Amazon $100 promo code. This is going to get $100 off at checkout, and this works worldwide. So for me, this is like 70 Great British pounds. And there's no minimum spend as well. You of course need to at least spend $100 to apply this code. But yeah, you can add like $105 to your basket, apply this code, and it is only going to cost you $5. So obviously these are limited codes. There's 780 remaining, so it does limit one code per person. So you need to unlock your Amazon coupon code. So to do that, click on this button, and it is really easy. It takes about 5 minutes to do this, but it is well worth it considering what you're getting. So you need to complete 2 of the free offers below. These sponsor Crash Coupons, that's how they can give us these codes. You just need to complete 2 of the tasks and follow the instructions, and this verifies you're not a bot. So as you can see, there is a list of tasks that are all completely free. You need to choose 2 of them, read the description below each one that you choose, and follow it. So this one is a survey, enter your email. So basically this is a free survey. You just answer questions and you have to input your valid and correct email, and that verifies you as a real person. Complete 2 of these and it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. I've obviously skipped forward, but basically your code will be revealed and you can literally redeem it in the basket or at checkout, and that is going to get you $100 off your next Amazon order. So that is the best Amazon promo code, guys. Go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, but it's pretty easy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.